In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Mint Mobile discount codes. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna head over to your web browser and search up how to get Mint Mobile discount code and click enter. So once that is done, you're gonna head over to this website, Los Angeles Times. Once you're on the website, you're gonna see the logo of the company right there, and you're gonna see many coupon codes as well. So for example, the first one is $15 coupon code. So you can just click view coupon code, and that's the coupon code right there, UOGH6. So to claim it, all you have to do is click copy and then click on visit Mint Mobile, which will take you to their official website. There you can type this code at checkout and get the discount. Similarly, there are going to be many other codes as well. So for example, there's a free shipping one. You click on it, and that's the coupon code for getting free shipping. So you're going to do the same thing, copy and use it at checkout. Now I'm gonna head to some other website and show you a few more promo codes. Next, you can head over to CouponFollow. Alright, so here, as you guys can see, the coupon codes as well. So for example, grab 20% off discount using this promo code, and that's the promo code right there, MGG. So it's gonna follow the same process. You're gonna copy, you're gonna click redeem at Mint Mobile and paste this at checkout. So there's a few more codes. Let's see. Get up to 50% off select plans, and that's the code right there, talk show. So copy it and go ahead and use it at checkout. So you can go ahead and explore many other promo codes here. So let's say one of them doesn't work, you can always go ahead and give the other one a try. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.